Welcome back to my vlog. You've caught me yet again on an airport, but this time it's Bali airport. Solo tripping all over Indonesia. Since last 2 days I was in Bali. Now I'm flying to Labuan Bajo to visit Komodo Islands. It's like a 45-minute flight that you take from Bali domestic terminal. I'll be there for like around 3 to 4 days, specifically going for the Komodo Island, for the Pink Beach, for the tour, and also for deep sea diving, because I've heard that it's one of the best in Komodo. This is my, I guess, second time that I'm gonna go, scuba diving. But every time I'm really excited. I really hope I can do a lot of dives in future, starting somewhere. I'm gonna take you along. Let's go. Some scrambled eggs and smoothie. Finally boarding.
Welcome to Labuan Bajo, yeah?
Thank you.
My name is Marcelo.
Hi. Yeah. So I'm entering my. I'm in Labuan Bajo, and basically I'm going to the Uber Scuba, which is the scuba company. I'm gonna ask them if I should do my dive tomorrow or day after. Truck passing. Because I have to do the Komodo. Sorry. To do the Komodo Island. Okay, come on. I also have to do the Komodo Island tour. Figure out if I should do the dive. I think it's this way. Labuan Bajo की गलियों में. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it right. So we also have a gym situation. Cute little gym. You guys know how much I love working out and how much I love empty gyms. I need to show you something incredible. Walking towards my dorm. There are like 6 to 8 beds in a dorm, and you stay with complete strangers. Labuan Bajo, there aren't like a lot of options for hotels, private rooms, and I would prefer to stay in a dorm in a place like this, because I would want to get to know new people. I'm hardly in the hostel, because I'm gonna be exploring. I'm gonna go to Komodo. I'm gonna diving tours. So yeah, I think this really works for me. Let me know if you would ever stay in a dorm, in a hostel with strangers. Also, somehow, do you feel कि मेरा accent हो गया है? I don't know why. When you're like traveling in a foreign country, somehow I have this accent out of nowhere. Like really. This is it for day 1 in Labuan Bajo. Tomorrow is the day, guys. Excited for my dive tour tomorrow. Tiring, but sure it's going to be amazing. लो जी, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ रूम भी दिखा ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਡਨਲੀ ਬੜਾ ਗੰਦਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਐਕਸੈਂਟ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਪਲੇ ਸੇਫ. ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੈੱਡ I prefer ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੈੱਡ ਥੱਲੇ ਮਿਲੇ, ਉੱਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੇ ਮਿਲ ਗਿਆ, because it's inconvenient to always like ਹਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਰੂਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਕੱਲੀ ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ. I mean कुछ भी. ये क्या सितम हुआ, ये क्या जुल्म हुआ, ये क्या गजब हुआ, ये कैसे कब हुआ, न जानू मैं, न जानू. Good morning, guys. This is what I'm wearing, and my dive day. Really excited. मज़े की बात ये है कि मैं जल्दी उठती हूँ और फिर भी लेट हो जाती हूँ। ये तो एवरीबडी नोज दैट एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग। 6 बजे उठो, 7 बजे निकलना है, 6 बजे उठो, 7 बजे निकलना है। अभी तक ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं है कि मुझे चैन की नींद मिली। बट नॉट कंप्लेनिंग a little about the dive. They'll take me to the boat and then we'll take 1.5 hours to reach the dive spot. The first dive spot, we are doing like 3 dives in the whole day. Increase the meters, eventually we'll go deeper. My last dive was in Gili Air in Indonesia itself in 2019 when I did it with my Jiju. That was not enough and I have to come back for more. So here I am. So we are going to take a speedboat to get to our boat.
One of the cups. After you finish with the cup, just leave it on the table or put it in one up there. It will be clean.
Let's give you a boat tour. These are where the cylinders are and everything. And this is where everybody is sitting. Hi Paul.
Hey,
How are you doing today?
very good. And you?
We have a place to chill and sit. This is cute.
Very simple to equalize your lungs. Of course, when we go deeper, until 50 bars. So when you look at
That's right.
Fried bananas. How was your experience? So good. Yeah. Quiet, no? Very beautiful. How was your experience?
It was very good. Yeah. First
Yeah.
time without the instructor for a while.
Ah.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो।
I think I cannot explain in words what it felt like today. Schools of fishes, turtles, a lot of coral. We were shivering. Like I had no idea that it's so cold down there. Second dive was something else. Like we got the mantas. They were huge. It's beautiful. Marine life is just like you can stay down there, experience it for yourself. I'm just grateful. Okay, bye. At this point,
Oh, I forgot it. Oh, I just forgot it.
ideally, I should be in bed, crashing. Diving was exhausting. I was having major FOMO that I'm not exploring Labuan Bajo town. Just the street